come on. So now this is completely towards the... Hi guys, what's up? Today I used my GoPro and I was recording some videos. This is GoPro Hero 6 Black. There's one issue with this GoPro. The battery, it's very difficult to remove, and if you're pulling the battery out, you might end up breaking this battery strap. So there's a battery strap in every battery, like this one. There's a strap. You have to hold it and pull it. So while I was pulling my battery out today, I ended up pulling this strap out. This is very delicate and it can come out. Okay, so what is the fix for this problem? So this is the GoPro. I will open it from here. Okay, and you can see the battery inside, it's stuck. Okay, it's inside, it's stuck, and the strap is broken. So how are you going to remove it? So I found a quick way to fix this. What you need to do is first remove the SD card and keep it safely somewhere. Okay, and then take this Swiss knife. I got this Swiss knife, and I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but you know this thing over here, this thing, try to touch the Swiss knife here and just move it inside. You'll find that it's going inside this, and then slowly try to pull it out. But if you find it difficult, then just put your Swiss knife on the side. Okay, and again the battery tape will come off. Just be careful you don't hurt your GoPro. And see, now it's coming out. Come on, come on. Oh, there it is. So you have to be careful. Now this is the battery, and you can see it's already got a scar mark on it. And now the big issue is that there is no strap for it, okay, to pull it. So what I did is I'm going to experiment with this. What I'm going to do is, okay, let's keep the camera down. Thank you to the Swiss knife. Thank you to Georges who had gifted me this Swiss knife. Thank you, Georges. Okay, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Now what you do is you take a tape, electric tape. This tape is not strong, it's not very strong. So if you put it here and try to pull it, it will not come. What I think we should do is take this tape and have a thin coating of it like this, and two straps out. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm taking this tape. I want it thin, I don't want it thick, because I don't want to cover the complete battery with it. I don't want to make the battery thick. Okay, so come on. Okay, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to place. See, you don't want to cover this, and this is too thick. So what I'll do is I'll cut this tape. Okay, Om Namah Shivaya. I'm gonna cut this tape. Okay, I'm gonna make it thinner, even thinner. Make the tape thinner like this. Okay, it's just what I'm trying to see. If it works, it works. If not, it's fine. Om Namah Shivaya. Okay, so now you got this thin strap. Okay, and this seems to be perfect. So I think I took it small. Okay, so take your battery and make sure you're not okay, this has to go down. The battery is charging from here, so we can't put this strap here, so we'll put it here. Let's see, let's put this strap here. Okay, what my aim is to get this strap completely up. I'm not able to get it completely up, so I think we need a longer strap, or maybe let's just try like this. No, we need a longer strap. Okay, so let's try to connect these two straps together. Okay, you can take a longer strap, or you can just connect two straps. I'm just connecting two straps like this, and then I'm putting this over here. Okay, make sure you don't put it over here. Okay, so now this is completely towards the top. Okay, so take this up, and then just, okay, do you see this? So I just took a strap and put it like this, and I connected it. But the problem is that there are two straps, so it may not come off. So let's try to put it like this. Okay, So the battery goes in. Okay, now it's a bit difficult to put it inside because you have added some extra tape on it. Okay, the battery went in safely. Okay, and let me check if I'm able to close this. Yeah, you can just put it like this, and just try to close the GoPro. Okay, alright, I'm able to close it. Now let's try to open it. Okay, opening. There are the straps here. Okay, so you have something to hold on to, and now it's the difficult part. Okay, I managed to pull it out. Okay, so what my tip would be, just take a tape and just measure it out. Measure this length, and the tape should be double, and you should put the tape down and pull the other sides up, and it should be like you can pull it out. So this is a fix for the GoPro's broken tab, in case your tab is broken, and in case you're not able to remove the battery from the GoPro. Take a Swiss knife and carefully and safely remove the battery, and then take a tape and just apply it to the battery tab the way I showed it, and you're good to go. If this video helped you, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, share this video, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.